we're watching these other rods.
Now, bye.
Yeah,
Get it. Get it, kid. Fucking bring them.
Certainly.
You want me to hold them both?
No, this one's gonna be Cooper's.
Okay.
Easy does it. Motherfucker. Are you the gaff boy?
I think he ate my bait.
There's the gaff boy. Easy does it by.
Oh, orcas over there.
Scared me, Chase.
Orcas? Yeah, way out there. Send that one down in the back.
Ooh, you motherfucker.
Yep.
Bite the back of your face down? No, he just made it. Let's bring my hook up.
He starts running, let him run. Okay? You did. Keep running. No back.
They've been hit.
I'll get you some more bait. I'll holler at you if I see cover.
Fucking kiddo.
Holler.
Oh yeah, baby mother.
Alright, out of the holder. Get ready, here we go.
Alright,
I'm
ready.
Take it out of the holder. Just pull it straight out.
Oh
Okay.
my fucking
Walk
lord.
straight back. Hold on.
Oh my god, beautiful fucking fish.
Lift it up, up. Lift.
Yeah, baby. That's a dead.
Where's the gap?
Dead fucking fish. Oh yes. Motherfuck you, Eric. Oh dude.
Nice.
Oh my fucking god.
150 pounder. At least 170.
Wow.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah.
God damn.
Fucking
Fucking shit. Oh yes.
Look at that. Yeah. Get the drum back. I got this.
Oh my. I record the whole dude. You fucking kid. Oh shit. I'm fucking shit. Here,